1, 2, 3. I'm doing pull-ups because the button told me to. What would the button tell us to do next? Right, you push next.
Climb the wall.
Oh, you have to go climb that wall. Alright, you go first and I'll go next. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And he's at the top. Jump off, jump off. Yeah.
Get to the end of the part in 10 seconds.
How am I going to do that? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, shoot. And that's time. Oh,
16 seconds and 33
so
minutes.
wet. Alright, I have to compare my time now. Go! Oh no, not quite.
Seconds.
1 minute second, 50 by 3, 4.
My God.
Alright, let's see what the button tells us to do next.
Play the game as shown.
Alright, that's an easy one. Alright, so you just get a ball out of the cup and you've got to go. Oh! And you don't get it from the other side. Let's see if you can do it.
Ow.
Oh! Let's go. Alright, let's go, finally. Level 1, you have to knock this down. Ah, Spider-Man! Turn fast, let's see. Alright, let's see if I can do it. Oh! Oh my God!
Level 1, extra easy.
It's actually level 2. Oh my God! I am the best at this game! And from now, I'll give you $1 million. Oh my God, I'm so lucky I don't have $1 million. Oh yeah? Wait, you just need to get that cup. It's very easy. Alright. I'm a pro in basketball. Ron Jones! Let's go! If I can do this. See if I can hit it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Is it gonna go down the slide? Do it on there, okay? Alright, let's see. Alright. Oh my God, I actually hit the fence! Wait, pause. Ron Jones! That's a pro right there. Hit it against the thing. Oh! Cut. Pull-ups because the button told me to. What else did the button tell us to do? 1, 2. Wait, where's the button? Ready? Yeah. Wait. I have to compare my time. Go.
Wait, no, don't